Welcome to a sneak peek into the future of home aesthetics. Imagine walking into a space that feels both futuristic and inviting, where every color breathes life and style into your home. In 2025, interior design is all about harmony, emotion, and self-expression through color. Whether you're planning a full makeover or just adding a splash of new energy, these top 5 color trends will inspire your creative journey. Let's dive into the shades that will shape the future of modern interiors. Soft earthy greens. 2025 is bringing nature indoors with soothing earthy greens. This calming shade, reminiscent of moss and olive tones, creates a serene atmosphere that reflects sustainability and wellness. Pair these greens with warm wooden furniture or neutral tones for an effortlessly organic look. For a modern twist, incorporate green through accent walls or decorative textiles, and you'll instantly feel a sense of tranquility. Warm terracotta and clay. The earthy warmth of terracotta isn't going anywhere. This rich, grounding color infuses your space with coziness and character. Think sun-baked clay, desert hues, and rustic charm. Perfect for boho and Mediterranean-inspired homes, terracotta pairs beautifully with creamy whites and natural textures like linen and wrought tan. Incorporate it in your living room or kitchen for an inviting rustic feel that bridges tradition and modernity. Muted blues with depth. Move over, classic navy. 2025 is all about muted, deep blues. These soft yet moody shades evoke calmness and sophistication. From slate blue to faded indigo, this color trend adds depth to any room without overwhelming the senses. Use it on statement walls, plush sofas, or bedroom linens for a serene, dreamy vibe. Pair muted blues with soft grays and metallics for a sleek, luxurious feel. If you're enjoying these color insights and want to stay ahead of future design trends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like the video and leave a comment telling us which trend is your favorite so far. Let's keep the conversation going. Bold black accents. While black has always been a staple, in 2025, it's taking center stage in bold new ways. Matte black walls, fixtures, and furniture add a striking contrast to neutral or colorful spaces. This trend exudes elegance and drama, perfect for modern or industrial-themed interiors. Don't shy away from black. Use it to define spaces or as a grounding element that makes other colors pop. Delicate lavender and soft lilac. 2025 introduces a soft, almost ethereal take on purple. Lavender and lilac bring a fresh, modern touch that balances warmth and coolness. These subtle purples add a hint of color while maintaining a light, airy feel. They're perfect for bedrooms, reading nooks, or as accents in neutral spaces. Pair them with whites, pastels, or even bold contrasts like mustard yellow for an unexpected pop. There you have it, the top 5 color trends set to transform interior design in 2025. From calming greens to bold black, these shades invite you to express your style in exciting new ways. Which color are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And remember, if you haven't already, subscribe for more home design inspiration. Stay ahead of the trends and let's make 2025 the year your space truly reflects you.